PCP setup. Item 1 is the stator and item 2 is the foot valve adapter. Apply tape in the direction that the pipe threads will be screwed in. Taping threads is very important to prevent galling. Before screwing in the rotor, check to see that the pin is at the bottom of the foot valve adapter. This is a common mistake in the PCP setup. Part 3 is the rotor. This step is very important because the addition of the rotor is what forms our progressive cavity pump. This is the only time you will use the lubricant, so use as much as you need. These parts only experience very gradual wear, which gives our product an excellent lifespan. Before screwing on the foot valve, you want to check that the rotor has reached the pin at the bottom of the foot valve adapter. The proper installation of the foot valve is critical because this is how water enters the pump. The rotor pin retainer, adapter, and attach pin are all found in the PCP hardware kit. The starter rod looks like a smaller version of the drive rod and has 2 lock nuts on either end that are left-hand threaded. Make sure the flat part of the coupling nut is on the far end of the starter rod. The 24mm and the 20mm wrenches are used to tighten the connections on the starter rod. Part 12 is the PCP stator adapter weldment. Before removing the cap, you will want to put the O-ring on. It is important that the tape does not overlap the O-ring for proper sealage. The pipe wrenches can be used to tighten pipe connections using 1.5 turns. And now you are ready for pipe preparation.